I'm Laura from Feel Fresh Skincare, and today I'm getting down on the ground to share with you another herb that you can find locally, very locally, in order to make your own natural skincare. Today's herb is dandelion. Now, I'm sure you'll be very familiar with dandelion. It's a very common herb throughout all temperate regions, and it's well known for its bright yellow flowers and the fantastic heads of seeds, which you're probably familiar with blowing as dandelion clocks. It gets its name from the leaves. Here we go, jagged edged leaves. See the leaves there? In most European speaking countries, the name of the dandelion has something to do with the jagged edges of the leaves, the Dandelion. Language of flowers, dandelion is sometimes associated with the oracle, and that's probably to do with the seed head, and that idea that if you can blow all the seeds off in one go, your wish will come true. But actually that blowing of the seeds is also sent to symbolise sending of your well wishes to loved ones. So here's dandelion. It's lovely to see the flowers and the seed heads, but in fact the part that's most often used in skincare is the tooth-edged leaves, and they can be used in infusion. It was considered a very valuable crop in the past. They even had trains specifically scheduled travelling to London to take the green herbage of the dandelion to London. It was so valued there for different medicinal purposes. Every part of the dandelion plant can be used in different ways, the root, the leaves and the flower, but in skincare it's mostly the leaves that we use. The big bonus with dandelion is just in the way that it brightens the day and brightens the fields with its big yellow blooms, is it's actually a great skin brightener. So the message is really in the flower there, but all you need to do is take a few leaves and toss them into the bath, make an infusion out of them, or otherwise you can combine them with other herbs as well for lovely infusions and skin tonics. You can also just take some of these leaves themselves and juice them, and the juice that comes out creates a good treatment for treating spots with. Dandelion's long been dismissed really as a weed, but in fact it's a really useful crop to have around, and I think we dismiss it because it's so common to us, but it's a great one to turn to just for a really refreshing herbal tonic.